Yeah, good morning. Something different today. I brought a new phone and then I needed a case, and I watched the boys at DDE and they advertise Rokform, and yeah, I really like the idea of the Rokform because it has a mounting point. You can mount onto different types of mounts for the vehicle, for a motorbike, whatever. And it's also magnetic, right? So you can stick it against a magnetic surface. But then they're not available in Australia, like off the shelf, so they have to come from America. So we've got postage, we've got money conversion, etc. So I went to Amazon and got this one, also magnetic, supposed to hold 2.5 kilos, and called Dexnor. It's a cheap Chinese copy, trying to look alike with the squared off corners, similar thickness and style. It feels a bit plasticky, but I thought this one, it's got like the only thing different, it has a bit of a stand like that, but it's supposed to hold 2.5 kilos, right? But when I have my phone in it and I put it, it just slides down. It cannot even hold the weight of the phone, right? Basically, if you have a smooth surface like a fridge and you got your phone in it, it'll just slide to the ground, right? Don't buy this. It's a good case if you just want protection, but if you want it for a magnet, for a magnetized part, or you know, or like I want to use it for filming, this is the Rokform case. And I got the discount through DDE, one of my favorite YouTube channels. I'm not going to throw it like they do. They throw their phones to show how good it is. No, these are too expensive, man. I can't afford to risk throwing mine. But thank you, Rokform. If I want to do any filming, right? Oh, there you go. This thing will hold 2.5 kilos. I guarantee you. If you just want to pull it straight off, it's almost impossible, right? Doesn't seem to affect the internals, and if I wanted to film, I could just put it like this, and that's why I wanted it, so I could put it on these posts, right? So that I could, can I see that what I was doing? Right? So that I, you know, if I'm even here, right? An example, right? If I'm filming on that side, I can just mount it like this. It's great. You know, in portrait mode, landscape mode. I'm not, don't get me wrong, I'm not sponsored by Rokform. I'm really not. But I tell you, this is awesome. I may get some of their attachments as well. Pity they don't have a lens protector for this model. They have a case, but no. But you know, there's plenty of those, you know, protective lenses available. But that's incredibly good, you know. And I reckon you could stick this to the outside of a vehicle and drive with it. I don't think it'll come off. I mean, I may try that with a cheap phone that fits inside, but not with this one. Like, the only reason I had to buy a new phone is because my banking app, my security camera app, none of it worked with my phone anymore because it was so old. The Android version was outdated. It's 5 years old or something like that. So I didn't want to get rid of it because it was a gift from my son with his first pay packet. He brought me a mobile phone, and it kind of had a bit of sentiment, and it's still nothing wrong with it. but yeah, that's just society, right? So yeah, I recommend, do not buy, like, this still costs like 50 bucks, right? It comes with a screen protector that doesn't work with a fingerprint. It's supposed to, but it doesn't really work with a fingerprint. It comes with a screen protector, but Chinese shit. Copies. Always. China copies everything. They can't make anything on their own accord. Now, this is designed in America. It's probably made in China. Possibly. I'm not sure. I can't see it written on here. But made to their specs in China, to their quality, to their specifications. I don't imagine this was made in America, but I don't see made in anywhere, just designed in America. So yeah, great case. I would highly recommend, if you want something like this. Yeah, the magnet is great. Don't waste, yeah, okay, after everything, this cost $150, this case. By the time it was shipped here, you know, I got the discount off, so I think it was like $130 by the time I got it. But it works. This doesn't. It's a piece of shit. Like I said, it's expensive if it's just for a case. If it's just a case, it's still expensive, right? Am I wrong? 50 bucks. It's still expensive because I expected it to work well. Right? Look. You can't compare. You know? They lied. 2.5 kilos. There's no way. It can barely hold its own, let alone put a phone in it. Right? A phone that's worth, you know, nowadays well over $1,000. In the bin. Haha, got it. In the bin. So yeah, highly recommend Rokform phone case. I love it. I look forward to ordering. Comes with a booklet that shows all the attachments. So yeah, highly recommend. It's not automotive related in a way, it's channel related, but I just wanted to share it with you. Don't buy these knockoffs that say that they're magnetic, right? Even without the extra magnet, if I take that out, you can still have wireless charging. It's still extremely strong magnet, but that does come with the extra magnet. I don't do wireless charging anyway because when I transfer files to the computer, it charges up anyway, right? So, ta-da! You know, I mean, that thing ain't going nowhere. So anyway, thanks for watching. If you're looking for a phone case, there's a discount on the DDE channel if you want. And yeah, highly recommend it. Catch you later.